Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing reentry permits. I am not specifically discussing either Thai reentry permits, nor am I discussing specifically U.S. reentry permits. I'm simply discussing reentry permits generally because I think, as the title would suggest, I think they're redundant and annoying. And I'll tell you why I think they're redundant is, what's the point of a visa? Honestly, if you need a reentry permit, it looks to me like a bit of a cash grab, quite honestly. I think we're talking about a situation where the bureaucracy may have seen, be it the Thai, the U.S., whatever, have seen that, hey, this is another way we can get a little bit of money out of the folks that are immigrants, and they don't really have any rights with respect to the immigration system, so we're going to go ahead and do it. The other thing is, I particularly dislike reentry permits in the context of lawful permanent residence in the United States. I can understand the argument for reentry permits in the context of non-immigrant visas here in Thailand, because non-immigrant visas are by definition non-immigrant. So when you have the status from an extension within Thailand, you need this reentry permit to sort of keep that status alive, if you will, to sort of maintain your status. I can understand the argument. I don't know of any other country in Asia, to the best of my knowledge, although there probably are other ones. I don't know any country in Asia that actually utilizes reentry permits the way in which Thailand does. So, it is what it is. The system is what it is for Thailand. But on the U.S. side, I find reentry permits really, really redundant, especially in the context of lawful permanent residence of the United States. And this has only come about in earnest. When I first started, reentry permits generally were not a major concern. If you were returning to the United States on a regular basis, nobody was really giving you a lot of hassle. And then CBP, U.S. Customs and Border Protection, started really hassling folks coming in and out that had lawful permanent residence status. And I still to this day don't really understand why. What's the underlying policy of, quite honestly, bothering people about their status? They're a resident. They have residence right of abode in the United States. Move on. Now I can understand extreme circumstances. You've been gone for 5 years. What are you doing? Yeah, makes some sense. But I've heard of people, I was gone 8 months and I'm coming back through and CBP's giving me the runaround. Did I ever want to abandon my residence? No, of course I didn't. I don't know why they're asking me all this stuff. Again, I just find reentry permits to be very, very odd when you consider that you've already gotten a permit for lawful status in that country.